Hello and welcome. This is a quick video about how to work the Dewalt fixed folding 2.44 inch utility knife, part number DWHT10429. So once you remove it from the package, the blade opens and closes like so. You push this little tab over and that will close. Now you might be here because you're wondering, where are my blades? They said it came with blades. Did they lie? You know, is it back here? Is it on top of here? Who knows? Well, so what you do is you push down on this tab here. So pull back on it as hard as you can. And then simultaneously pull up on the back. And that reveals your blades. So just for demonstration purposes, we'll pull one out and close the handle again. And all you have to do is insert the blade here, push down on the button, and then give a little tug, make sure it's tight. To change the blade, you do the same thing, push down on the button, pull the blade out. So assuming you got a brand new blade in here, make sure it's tight again, close the knife, and that's it.